All right, guys. So my window over here, I rolled it all the way down, and it fell all the way in, and it got derailed on these rails right here. This one right here, of course, this one right here. So this whole window fell all the way in, and it took me a while to figure out how to fix it. But how I did it is this rail right here goes all the way down there, and you can't put this window back because it is tight in there. But what I found out after 30 minutes, after 30 minutes of trying to put it back, was this screw right here. So if you remove this screw, because it's holding this rail all the way through, remove it, and then you could push that rail inside. You could push it in towards that way, and then what you do is put this side on the rail, and then by using your hands and a tool, like I use a stick and then um, a long flathead screwdriver, and what I did was pushed it back in. At the same time I was pushing with the wooden stick on that rail, and then it went back on this rail, and pretty much got back on the rail after doing that. And you could play with it, going back up and down, and then once you got it up, you could pull on the rail back and put the screw back on there, and then you're all set. So the key thing here, and it took me a while to figure out, was removing this screw right here. So hope that helps everybody. I don't have a tutorial on how to do it because it was pretty easy to do once I figure out how to get back on rail by removing this screw right here. All right, those YouTube videos on how to take this whole thing off, it's pretty simple. Hopefully that helps everybody or anybody out there, because I did cut my finger trying to figure it out in the beginning. So hopefully that helps and make it easier for anybody that might run into this issue.